Good afternoon, all you beautiful people out there. Hope you're all having a great day. Well, this is, believe it or not, this is an Ian coin. Wow, eh? Tie me kangaroo down, sport. Tie me kangaroo down, ah. Tie me kangaroo down, sport. Tie me kangaroo down, ah. Right, that's enough of that. Sorry about that. It just has to come out, you know. Right. Somebody say, they're not kangaroos, they're wallabies. Well, they're bloody kangaroos today, okay? Well, it is a kangaroo. Right, so today I'm going to use a small punch. I'm going to use a 3/8 punch. So I want to try and keep as much detail. It's quite a small coin as well. Beautiful day here in Finland today. Sun's out. Birds are happy. Life is beginning again, eh? Right. That's not very, what's going on there? Let's put a bit of Looby-Loo. Looby-Loo, where are you? Over here, Mr. Wonderful. Oh, hello, darling. Right. That's good. Let's go over and see what Big Bertha's up to today. She's an oxen lady. I like them big. Right. Come on, darling. Move your ass. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's quite a thick coin, this one. I'm going to need some love with Bernie, I think. Got a slap it on the bottom? Yes, as usual. Nothing changes there. I've got to get another one of these. It's a dinner plate position, you know. The other side is all flowers and things, but and they're sort of well made. They're quite solid, but I've got to get another one. God, you're going to come out or not? There you go. Spraying over here somewhere. But where? There it is. Right, it needs a bit of love and affection. With Christy Burr. This just cleans up the edge. Okie dokie, it's looking good. I mean, I don't know when this video is going to go up, probably a few days' time or next week. But my first day on the market wasn't too bad. It could have been a lot better. It could have been worse. But there's not many punters around at the moment, so, you know. But I've got a new table set up this year, and I was trying to get that all organised. And got my rings out there now, and yeah, it's starting to look quite good. That's hotter than the sun. No, it's not. I love my comments. They're great. I read everyone and I apply to everyone. Apply, I reply. Apply, reply. One of them two. Right, let's dry it off. What's it looking like? Oh, yeah. Wow. I've never seen a coin like this. I suppose Paul from Australia has seen loads of them, but what a stunning looking coin. I could do some more. I could do some more of these sort of coins with kangaroos on them and stuff like that, but it may be a bit bigger. But anyway, you get what you get. So this obviously is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So this is going to go side down. Let's try the old ball bearing with this thing. I don't know if he's self-level. I don't really know. But let's give it a go, Joe. Make a new plan, Sam. Right, let's go over to Big Red. Right, that's that. Will it fit in this one? I think it needs a little bit of a tug on this one. No, we'll have to go to the other one because there's not enough depth on this one to be able to handle it. Yeah, I sent my girlfriend some photographs of my table layout and she approved, which is good. Oh, you should move this there and you should do this and do that. And I say yes there and do what I'm told, and usually she's right. Well, most of the time she's right. Oh, I let her think she's right. You know what it's like, guys. These women. I walk through the door sometimes after work and she's sat on the sofa. And I come through the door and say, "Right, darling, the boss is home," and she just laughs. In other words, yeah, sure. Us blokes have it rough, you know. We think we're in charge, but we're not really. I think women should rule the world, really. You know, be probably a lot safer. Right. Is that looking pretty sexy? Ever so smooth. Right, let's warm it up again because it's quite a thick coin. Yeah, if you're still watching this video and you're not subscribed, how about doing it for me? It's free, there's no obligation. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And we'll be besties forever. I do custom orders, I make custom rings for people. You can even send me your own coins. Right, let's go over. Yeah, I know. There he is. There he is. The man at the top. Oh yeah, that is a smaller ring. I'll have to try and start it first, yeah. Right, now you can use a kitchen roll. This just stops you losing the detail on the inside of the coin. And it's getting quite tough again. Let's warm it up again. Give it some more love. Yeah, I started a couple of sets of earrings and a pendant and some dangle earrings and yeah, it's, you know. I did get enough to retire to the Greek islands, but you know. I just love having a crack with the holiday makers, you know. It's probably the main reason I do it. I just love having a crack with people, you know. Right. What's this camera doing? Behave yourself. I think this is going to be quite a small ring. Bloody hell, it's such a thick coin. Let's warm it up again. if you are just starting this game making rings, make sure you anneal it enough, because when I started doing it I didn't used to do it enough. And I used to split rings all the time. So it's just like a heat, you know. Get it really, really hot, unless you're using silver, of course. If you're using, you know, 90% silver or 4/9 silver, you're going to be very careful with it, because it can easily blister, and then you just got a lump of silver you could sell. But right, don't look, there's no bow in it, and as well as not much of a lip in it really. There's something, but not much. But we'll get it out. That's good. So now we want to take the bow out of it. This might have to go over to Big Bertha, I don't know. Like, it's really tough coin. Another coin made out of rebar. Right, here we go again. Right, that's good. Right, let's go to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dice. And now we want to find one where there's just a little bit sticking up. There you go, that's quite sexy. You want to give it a bit of the old itchy coochie coo. Oh yeah, that works. I thought I was going to have to go over to Big Bertha to do this. There you go, perfectly straight walls. So let's break out. The gorgeous as ever Kate. She ain't looking too bad. I think she's I think she was out last night on the Raz with some of her mates. She hangs about with Angelina Jolie, you know. Well, we all like Angelina Jolie, don't we? Well, I do. If you want to contact me for any reason, you can mail me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. M for mother, E for echo. Right. So, we'll chuck a bit of polish on it. This is the Edwin look. But I think it needs some polish on this one for sure. I don't think it liked being stretched that much. I mean, it's one hell of a thick coin. But let's chuck in the one and only Felton John. He's going a bit bald there. I think he needs a bit more of a transplant. Come on, catch on, for God's sake. And I need to get another tube of this, I think. What lid? I did have a lid for it. There you go. Right. It's so thick, it's not even getting too hot yet. Alright, let's have a see what we've got. Clean off the old mingers. Oh yeah, looks like gold. Let's get Mr. Orange out. He's orangey. Oh yeah, very nice. What a beautiful coin ring. Thank you, Ian. Alright, how's it looking? Wow. Oh, you've even got the dollar there. Look at that. Kangaroos jumping around. Yeah, I love it. That's why I use the kitchen roll. If it's going to focus, it never wants to focus on the inside part. But believe me, it's all there. That's why I use the kitchen roll. What size we got? This is the size you always measure from the reeded side, because that's the thickest part of the ring. I don't know if I've said that before. Right. This is a size 9 1/4. 9 1/4. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. Fits this finger just right. Look at that, beautiful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Hit the like button for me. You know, I could do with some love. And God willing, I'll see you all tomorrow. So bye bye.